Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today what we're going to be doing is, as you can see here, we got ourselves a big exhaust because that way everybody can hear the sound and they can hear the full power of 500 horsepower maybe if we're pushing it pretty good. So that way they know the power's there for reals. And then we got some muffler pieces here, some clamps. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do we're going to go down here and we're going to do a side exit right here. Let's take a look down here. You can see here the downpipe goes from here to right here, but right now it's covered with tape because we're gonna try to turn it on, but we'll just go ahead and take this off right there. So okay, so it gets to right about here, and then right here we got the old one, so we're probably gonna have to take that off. And since we don't have that much material, we're just gonna see if we can get it to get from there and maybe get it to go out right there. Yeah, as you can see, we got a little bit of rust going here just because it's from the ranch. Yeah, it's pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna go ahead and install that, and then we'll show you guys a clip of once we get ready to start running it, once we got the exhaust. She's ready to go right here. You can see we got it all. This is the downpipe, and then from here we went to a 5-inch all the way to here, and then we got a 90 right here, and then it squiggles out to the side exit. So she's ready. Take a look at it right there. That's the view we got right there. So looks like she's ready to party, guys. So we'll go ahead and now we're gonna see if we can turn it on and show you a picture of it running and starting up. Now that we got the truck up and running and she seems to be idling all right, we're gonna go ahead and do the one last thing that we're gonna do is do the solenoid upgrade for the transmission. And we got here, what we got is the kit from MTS Transmission. This is the kit, just hopefully that helps our trans live a little bit longer, because I don't know if the turbo's gonna spoil or not. We haven't really driven it yet, so that's something we need to check out. But it's gonna be as strong as it is. It's gonna be with this. This is gonna help it, so the clutches don't slip. So here is what we're gonna have. So here's what comes with the kit. It's this. This is the solenoid EPC stage 2. I don't know if the camera can pick that up or not, but that's that. We got the solenoid direct stage 2. Okay, those two. We got our transmission filter, our I forgot what it's called. It's a little valve. It slides that, and then we got our little plug. It's the little it's a Sonic's end plug pressure switch. The ones that has is plastic, and then this is for that. And then we got a little O-ring here, and then the gaskets for the pan, and then for the valve body. So we'll go ahead and put that in there, install it, and then I think she might be ready to go. So after that, we're gonna go out and maybe take her for a test run and see how she runs. If she runs good, then we're in business. So we'll go ahead and do that. There you have it. She's up and running. We got some coolant temp up and oil up to temp. So we went ahead and took it out for a test drive, and she's running. She's all right. We still need to go, and tomorrow we're gonna go and test drive it again. Make sure, rip on it a little bit, see if the transmission holds. I don't know if the transmission holds. If it does hold, we're gonna be green to go to the dyno over in Rapid City. And hopefully it does, because if it does end up holding, we might go there and break some hearts, because the truck might break down. But either way, we're gonna go ahead and get ready. So hope you guys enjoyed, and catch you guys on the next one.